Tonight we shall feast upon roast pheasant. Your cutlass will do. First thing we gotta do is we gotta tenderize it. So when you tenderize a pheasant, you basically gotta starts your grill. And you want it at like 5,000 degrees. Now we gotta tenderize the pheasant a bit more. Now that it's been beat to hell and it's quite tenderized, we're first gonna marinate. How we do that is rum, some adobo, fucking cumin, chili powder, my favourite. Oh, now the only thing left to do is cook it. Now we put it on the grill. Uh-oh. And we wait about 4 hours. And then I suppose you should probably flip the bugger. Listen in. There we go. Alright, me hearties, now that it's cooked for a good 4 hours, the whole bird really comes together. Let's see what we have here. Avast! A beautiful roasted pheasant.